I decided I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it next time. Hopefully this is gonna be thick enough. Usually I use my boo's. I've been using his boxers, and it's a thick strap, so it's been working out lovely. Getting a thick strap, but this is all I have. So, as you can see, one side of my hair is done and one side is not, because I realized that I didn't have anything to tie it down with. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna keep doing it and I don't have nothing to lay it down with, because then I'm just putting product in my hair for it to dry up, and I need it to dry while it's tied down. This towel is getting on my nerves. I'm using these scissors because these are the scissors that I have right now. My scissors that I always use, they're not sharp anymore, and I don't resharpen my scissors. I just buy new scissors. I haven't bought any new scissors except for these to cut my lace in the middle. Not around. Don't cut your lace with scissors. All right, so here's my strip. Now I can put it around my head and tie it. Once I get this towel secure, I will show you. Now, I'll go ahead and continue with my hair. And this is the foam that I'm using. I really don't like that one. This is the one I like to use, but as you can see, I don't got no one. When I went to the store, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try this one this time. And I shouldn't have. Alright, so I just tried to relay the front of my wig down. I've had this wig for about a week and a day, and it just started getting loose like the end of yesterday. See, this part right here didn't take. I had glued this part down, but it didn't take. One thing about mousse is it also acts as like a holder, so it will hold your hair as well. Alright guys, I went ahead and moved my towel so you can see I actually do have on a towel, okay? I do have on a towel. I am not filming no naked video. Alright, so I ran out of storage on my phone, so I'm literally being ghetto. I'm filming this all on Snapchat so I can just save them and go back later. Oh wait, I gotta do this.
So how you want?
You just wash your face with it. Just a face washer. Yeah, it's not electric.
Oh, I know water. How do you do it?
Yeah, once you put water on your face, you put water on there and then you can wash your face. Or you can put the water on your face first.
Okay. I'll get the water on my face.
Put water in your face. Alright, so I'll put a shirt on. How far it reaches, this is how wide it is for these particular panty strips. You can use panties, you can use your boyfriend's drawers. Probably can't use your kids. I don't know how big your head is. But if you have a small head, maybe able to use your kids so you don't have so much room. So usually when I use the men's underwear, it's so sturdy that I only have to tie it once. So when I use, sorry y'all, I'm not used to looking at this camera like that. So when I use this one, I actually had to tie it twice. I tied it in a bow. I tied it once and I tied it in a bow because it's kind of loose. And I wanted to make sure that what I need to lay down lays down. But as you can see, it don't cover everything. You see, it didn't cover that. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner real quick. Some concealer right here. Just a little bit. Get myself together and go on my way. I took my lashes off last night, so I'm probably not gonna put no strips on. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna get my lashes done again, probably today or tomorrow.